Living Now range has been enhanced with 3 new colours and a complete paint finish across all components. The cover plate consists of 2 parts made of Zamac, a metal alloy, while the devices are made of technopolymer. The 3 colours are bronze, champagne and steel. The new Living Now colours are painted using a modern coating system comprising 2 spray booths, a flash-off area and a curing oven. All these areas operate under controlled temperature and humidity conditions to ensure a consistently even application of the coating, the evaporation of water from the coating products and, above all, proper adhesion of the coating to the components. Each component in these 3 new finishes undergoes a visual aesthetic inspection by our dedicated staff to ensure that all products placed on the market fully comply with the defined quality and finishing standards.
The automated line that produces the Living Now cover plate processes 60 items and has a production capacity of 1 part every 3 seconds. All the elements required for production are managed in dedicated areas alongside the line, which we call supermarkets. I collect the material, I use it, and restocking takes place in such a way that the material flow is synchronized with the production rate, ensuring process continuity and stability. The molds have been designed and manufactured in our in-house tool-making workshop and follow a scheduled maintenance program managed on-site by the maintenance department. The assembly stations on the line have also been designed in-house by our automation development team, so we can truly speak of a fully integrated cycle that is 100% made in Italy.
The coatings and the coating process have always been subject to testing and approval activities by the laboratory, and for the new Living Now finishes, the objective was to raise the expected performance standard. To pass the resistance test, the coated products must withstand 30,000 rubbing cycles without showing any signs of abrasion. We also carry out corrosion tests, both in salt spray and in a climatic chamber. These corrosion tests are used to both assess the corrosion resistance of the coating and to evaluate how effectively the coating protects the base material against corrosion. Approval to proceed to full-scale production is not granted until the test results comply with our requirements. The laboratory continuously verifies and monitors the coated products, complementing the inspections carried out on the production line, helping to maintain the expected level of quality.
For this stage of the production process, we use highly advanced laser technology, configured to engrave symbols and text directly onto the product with great precision. Achieving graphics with such a high level of definition, especially in the smallest details, required a great deal of work, extensive testing and numerous adjustments. The most delicate part was calibrating the laser according to the response of the material. In the end, we found the right combinations that enable us to achieve stable, clean processing with a high level of quality.